तो सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स। निफ्टी slumps to 26,030, TCS sits over 3%, Sensex Today stock market live updates. The Indian markets are trading under pressures yet again. The Nifty index is trading around the 26,100 mark, with a decline of around 40 points. The Nifty Bank index is barely in green, with an uptick of around 100 points, reclaiming the 60,000 mark. Hindalco, TCS, JSW Steel, Wipro, ONGC and HDFC Life are among the losers. Sensex Today stock market live updates. The Nifty bulls have a reasons to complain and not to at the same time. The reason to complain is that the index has lost steam after hitting record high to start the year. On the flip side, despite the index heavyweight and underperforming, the Nifty has managed to defend key support level throughout the week. The question remains, for how long can it do that? The Nifty defended the 26,100 to 26,150 supported zone which week after breaking below it entirely, and any potential downside marks. The 50 DMA supported at 26,000 key for the index. 26,200 remains a hurdle based on the option data. Today is the weekly expire of the Sensex contracts. The market will react to the first advanced GDP estimates for financial year 2026, which were released last evening after market close. Index heavyweight like RIL, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, ITC and IT stock will remain in the spotlight. The Nifty Bank still remain around 60,000, which is key level. For the Sensex Today stock market live update, CLSA recommends this 8th global defensive stock. 2025 was characterized by uncertainty and divergence as geopolitical traffic and conflict gripped global markets.